Welcome back to Finding Our Isla. If you're new here, we're a family of six learning how to sail while adventuring through the Caribbean.
Goodbye, Saline Bay. We're not going to miss you very much. Morning, boys. Happy Tuesday. Good job getting us out of Saline Bay.
Here we are, leaving Saline Bay with no steering cable. At this point, every mile north felt like both progress and risk. But northbound we were going. This was the moment Casey and Ashton had put their new sailing knowledge into action. Here, they're raising the sails and getting Isla ready for our next leg of the adventure.
Hey, Captain Casey. I was just telling everybody what we're up to today.
Sailing.
Yeah, we got the sails up. We're heading to where?
Bequia.
Bequia. We're making great time. And
To park the boat.
we will. We're going to park the boat. So, wish us luck.
With the winds picking up, every noise downstairs seemed amplified, even though most of it was far worse in our minds than reality. Being up on the flybridge gave us a little relief. But that didn't last long. Soon the conditions took a turn for the worse. The Christmas winds are seasonal weather patterns that sweep through the Caribbean every year around December and January. They bring stronger trade winds, bigger seas, and rougher conditions that can make sailing much more challenging, especially for new sailors like us. What might look like a beautiful sunny day can quickly turn into heavy winds, squalls, and extremely uncomfortable seas. And during this passage, we felt every bit of it.
We're just traumatizing everyone.
Well, today has been an adventure. We had big waves, big wind, big rain. But we're almost to our destination, and I think we're gonna stay here a few days and let this storm pass over us. Here's our current state of affairs. Rain. Put our manual rudder in. Ashton's guiding it. We've got Miles hanging out in here. Lily too, she's watching a show. And Cruzy is taking a sleep. We're just waiting to have this storm pass over us so we can pull into that marina, that bay over there. Boy, these storms just keep coming. But the good news is, we see Bequia. We made it. Almost. We're close though. These have calmed down for us and the sun came out. Yay! And now we are just slowly getting ready to grab a ball. A mooring ball. Stir, stir, stir. What are you guys looking for? A monkey. I'm already loving Bequia so much. How about you?
Yeah, how about me?
Yeah, how about we have 4 kids, so we go through a lot of eggs. Yeah, we got eggs.
That's your son?
Yeah.
And he is young like you.
Yeah.
young
You're
like me.
sweet. Thank you.
It feels really good to be back on land for a bit. And we're exploring Bequia, picking up a few things to restock the boat. One thing we're learning quickly out here, provisioning looks a lot different island to island. Instead of one big grocery store, you usually have to go to multiple places for different things. You go one place for meat, and a stand for fruit and veggies, and a separate place to grab local shelf-stable eggs. Getting the groceries is only half the job. Now we get to carry everything back to the dinghy, pack it all in, haul it back to the boat, and unload it. Boat life definitely makes you work for your groceries.
Okay, crew is hanging out with me and Lily. And we have a little bit of work to do today. So, oh no, what work? Well, I have some work that I'm going to do. Can I talk to your people?
Not only is sailing new to us, homeschooling is too. It's been a whole new adventure in itself, but there's something really special about being so hands-on with their learning. Getting to learn alongside them, watching their curiosity grow, and experience the world together has been incredibly rewarding.
Coral reefs help sea animals by helping crabs protect their babies. Parrotfish protect their coral help the coral protect the coral by eating the bad algae and coral. And while they're done, they poop it out into sand. And I learned a couple more. It's just I had to do 2 reasons of the key detail.
Awesome, Mouse.
And that's it.
Thanks for sharing.
And bye.
Oh, we found this super cool little spot on the beach, and we love it. And the kids are going to get some ice cream. Okay. And we parked the dinghy, because it's like a dinghy. There's our little new Betsy.
Here's Betsy.
Thank you. Yummy.
Here, you only got one. So happy birthday. What are you doing? I told her to take a picture.
After the intense sail here, slowing down, playing in the water, and enjoying the beauty of Bequia felt like the reset that we all needed.
Oh no.
They say owning a boat means that you spend your time fixing it in beautiful places. And honestly, that's proving to be pretty true. This time, we noticed some of our lazy jack lines were starting to chafe. So before they failed, we decided to replace them. And thankfully, this was a repair we could handle ourselves.
All right, Casey, what were you and Ashton up to?
Lazy jack on a sail bag, chafed, so we just had to replace it.
Cool.
Drop
Pretty
the sail bag down, cut it off, put a new piece, no big deal.
like it. Way to go.
Out here, I've watched Casey and Ashton grow into such a strong team.
Us, 'cause then if we can't get the dinghy started, we're stranded in these waves.
First time, every time.
Hold on, don't back up on me. God, oh my God. You'll rip my arm off. You would just let go.
From boat projects to troubleshooting problems, they're constantly learning together. Even figuring out how to handle our new family car, the dinghy, has become a big part of the adventure.
Casey. Watch out for the rope. Oh my God.
The rope in front of it, too.
Okay, there they go. They're out of here. They're gonna go get a flashlight. I hope they hold on.
As the sun started to dip behind the hills of Bequia, we soaked in every last moment of the day. After the adventure, the work, the learning, and the miles behind us, this quiet evening together was exactly what we needed. The kids played until the light faded, the water calmed, and little by little, another Caribbean day came to an end. Out here, life slows down in the best way. We trade routines for sunsets, busy schedules for family time, and moments like this remind us why we chose this life in the first place. Now it's time to settle in for the night aboard Isla. One more dinner, one more bedtime story, and one more peaceful anchorage under the stars.
What you doing, crew?
Can I clean this?
It's my dish day. Oh yeah.
Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. If you've been enjoying our adventures, it would mean the world if you subscribed and followed along as we continue to learn, explore, and live this wild life at sea together. We'll see you in the next adventure. Good night from Bequia.